Hi, I'm Fergus from SerenataFlowers. Today we're going to be unboxing our Letterbox flowers. As the name suggests, Letterbox flowers are essentially flat packed flowers that are delivered straight through your letterbox. Step 1, you're going to pop open your packaging and then you're going to peel away the paper in there to reveal your beautiful blooms. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that the flowers arrive in bud form. So they might look a little bit tired after the journey, but give them a couple of days and they'll really perk up. Okay, so for step 2, we're going to give each stem a little trim. What you want to do is you want to trim it at about a 45-degree angle, about 1 or 2 inches above the bottom of the stem. So for step 3, we're going to prep our vase. So I just want you to grab a vase with clean room temperature water. And then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put some of that Serenata flower food in there and give it a good stir to mix it all in. Lastly, you're going to artistically arrange them in the vase. A tip here is to remove any of the lower leaves that might go beneath the waterline. And what you want to really do is you want to put your showstoppers at the front and experiment with height to add a bit more volume. And there you have it, a beautiful bouquet from Serenata Flowers, ready to bloom in your own home.